Are you aware that excessive screen time can be as harmful to your mental health as smoking a pack of cigarettes a day? Welcome to our deep dive into screen addiction, where we'll uncover the hidden effects of our digital habits and learn how to find balance in a world dominated by screens. In today's digital age, we're constantly bombarded with notifications, social media updates, and endless streaming options. It's easy to get lost in the virtual world and lose sight of what truly matters. Have you ever found yourself mindlessly scrolling through your phone, only to realize hours have passed? Or maybe you felt anxious when you can't check your messages. You're not alone. Research shows that Americans spend over 11 hours a day on screens. That's more time than we spend sleeping. This rampant screen addiction is linked to increased anxiety, depression, and even sleep disorders. But why is this happening? When we use screens, our brains release dopamine, the feel-good hormone. This response reinforces our behavior, leading us to seek more screen time for that instant gratification. But what happens when the dopamine wears off? We crave more. This cycle can lead to serious mental health issues, especially in teenagers and young adults. So how do we combat this? First, we need to be aware of our screen habits. Start by tracking how much time you spend on your devices each day. There are many apps available that can help with this. Once you know your usage, set realistic goals to reduce that time. Try limiting your screen time to specific hours or designate no-screen zones in your home, especially during meals and before bedtime. You'll be surprised at how much more present you feel in those moments. Next, replace screen time with healthier activities. Go for a walk, read a book, or spend quality time with family and friends. It's important to find activities that genuinely bring you joy and fulfillment. Physical activities, like hiking or joining a local sports team, can boost your mood and help you connect with others. Remember, your mental health deserves that attention. While we're on the topic, if you find this information helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and share this video. We want to reach more people who might be struggling with screen addiction. Also, let us know in the comments how you manage stress and take care of your mental health. Your experiences could inspire someone else and create a meaningful community conversation. Now, let's talk about the importance of digital detox. Consider implementing a weekly digital detox day where you completely unplug. Use this time to reconnect with yourself and nature. Engage in activities that nourish your soul, like cooking, gardening, or even exploring a new hobby. You'll be surprised at how refreshing it can be to step away from screens and rediscover the world around you. Another essential tip is to cultivate mindfulness. Practice being present in the moment. Whether it's during a conversation or while enjoying a meal, put down your phone and engage fully with your surroundings. This practice can significantly improve your mental clarity and overall well-being. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, can also help you manage anxiety and stress related to screen time. Have you ever noticed how often you reach for your phone during idle moments? It's become a habit for many of us. To break this cycle, try replacing those moments with short breaks for reflection or stretching. Simple practices like these can create a more balanced routine. And, I want to leave you with a powerful quote: almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. This quote perfectly encapsulates the importance of taking breaks from our digital devices. We often forget that our minds and bodies need time to recharge, just like our gadgets do. Remember, prioritizing your mental health is a journey, not a destination. Make small, consistent changes to your screen habits, and don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Consider keeping a journal to track your feelings and experiences as you make these changes. Journaling can help you reflect on your emotions and recognize patterns in your behavior, ultimately guiding you toward healthier habits. In closing, take a moment to reflect on your relationship with screens. Are they serving you, or are they controlling you? Make the conscious choice to seek balance in your digital life, and in turn, enhance your mental well-being. You have the power to reclaim your time and prioritize what truly matters. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your mental health is worth the effort, and every step you take toward balance is a step toward a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on living a fulfilling life in a digital world. Together, we can navigate this journey and create a brighter, more balanced future.